Hello, it's Mitchell Myth Rider. In this video, I am going to be reviewing this action figure. This is a WWE action figure of the Hurricane. This is a Jakks Pacific Hurricane figure. As you can see, his face paint is black and white. There is, right there, silver, green, and black. A black and green outfit, and the whole entire back is green. That is the logo on the left side of his pants. Well, it's more like wrestling tights. That logo is also that logo. As you can see, he has like green hair dye on the top of his head. Bye. Thanks for watching.